Did you know that in Igbo language structure, the arrangement of words, especially pairs and opposites, often follows a natural hierarchy where the word perceived to be higher, stronger, or more significant comes first. For instance, nne na nna. Here, nne comes before nna, highlighting the role of the mother in childbirth and early nurturing as primary. Ọkụ na mmiri. Here ọkụ comes before mmiri, perhaps highlighting fire's intensity or danger. Ji na ede. Ji comes before ede because in Igbo land, ji is seen as the king of all crops. Ewu na ọkụkọ. Ewu comes before ọkụkọ because ewu is more economically valuable than ọkụkọ. Di na nwunye. Di comes before nwunye because the husband, is the head of the family. We can go on and on to cite more examples. So you can see now that this consistent pattern is not mere coincidence. Rather, it is a reflection of the Igbo worldview, values, and perception of hierarchy and importance.